So let me ask you a simple question. Is this you? Sometimes you engage in a conversation, then you all of a sudden don't know what to say, you don't find the perfect word, you don't find the perfect form of sentence, because your range of words is too small. Listen, I was like this. I sometimes engage in conversations in which I could be really good. I knew exactly what to say, but I didn't find the right words. I didn't remember them. I didn't remember the good way to form a sentence. But I know what I wanted to say, but I couldn't do it fast enough. And then I was like, right? I didn't remember what to say. And that's because I didn't read enough books. Listen, if you want to fix this, there are two ways to do it. I mean, two most effective ways yet so far known. Actually, there's more, but like the ones I'm gonna talk about today is either engage in a hell of a lot of conversations with a lot of people, but be prepared to fail a lot of times because you won't remember what to say, and you're gonna be looking worse with that, and it's gonna be a very long process. Or simple step number 2, read books. It's that simple. Just read 3 books. With like 10 minutes a day, 5 minutes a day, like preferably a half an hour or an hour, but like if you count that much, you can read for just 10 minutes or just 5 minutes, bro. Whatever the hell you do, it's gonna make you better of a speaker. So you need to expand your range of words that you know, because like they don't come to your mind. You maybe know the word, but it doesn't come to your mind because you don't use it that frequently. But once you're gonna start reading books, those words are just gonna come to your mind. Oh wait, I could say this, or I could form the sentence that way, but you wouldn't remember that way before when you weren't reading books. But now you do, and you're gonna be so fucking much of a better speaker. I mean, that's one step to become a better speaker. There's a lot of steps you can learn on communication skills. There's shit ton of videos about that online, and I'm gonna make some videos about this too. But like, I was talking about like your vocabulary today. But like, there is a lot of ways. If you want to become a better speaker and better in communication, then of course you gotta research that more. But I'm just talking, man. I'm just saying, if you don't know what words to say, you're gonna come off as pretty bad. So read them books, mate. It has nothing bad to do for you. It only has to benefit you. And it can be just 5 minutes per day. It's gonna compound in a few days, months, years. You're gonna be so fucking better at speaking. And you're just gonna be like, you're just gonna know more stuff. And you're gonna, your imagination is gonna be better, and you're gonna do some stuff better in life, because like, maybe you're in a situation and you wouldn't know how to react immediately, but right, you expanded your imagination by reading the books. So now you have more ways to act. Stay smart, stay wise, read books, mate, and stay on self-improvement. Stay hard. So maybe look, it might be pain, but pain sucks. We all know pain sucks, but it's what makes us stronger. Enjoy.